What's up, my LoRyders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official LoRyder. Okay, you guys, today you're going to see me do a sew-in weave with leave-out install. I already taken her down. She had a weave in, and I took the weave down, shampooed her, conditioned her, and now I'm getting ready to start the process all over again of sewing the weave in. So sit back, relax, and watch as I do my thing. After I finish the braid down, I put oil on the scalp because the oil will keep it from itching a lot, because usually when people get weaves, the braid is tight, the scalp itches. So that's why I'm putting the oil on right now. Okay, you guys, see how flat that is? Even though the braids were like medium size, the tracks are still flat. Look at how smooth that is. And as for the color of the hair, you guys, we're having a hard time finding hair the same color of her hair. Or actually, she's not ready for it to be all white like that. But we're slowly getting to it, you guys. We're slowly getting to it. Okay, you guys, I'm flat ironing her hair right now. And usually when I flat iron her hair, I do a bone shred, and she likes a barely bump. And a barely bump means she does not want a tight curl. She just want it bumped on the ends, and that's what I'm doing right now. Now I'm about to flat iron the leave out. Sorry I'm out of frame by now, but I'll be fixing that right now. As I flat iron the leave out, I make sure that I comb the hair back to cover up the tracks. And she has more than enough hair left out to cover her tracks without anything being seen. Now I'm putting on edge control on her edges, and I'm slicking those down because she wears her hair slicked down, and she puts a headband on. So I slick the edges down so her edges will look nice and smooth, nice and sleek, you guys, for when she puts her headband on. all done now. Let's give her a spin around. If you made it to the end of this video, I appreciate you so much. And thanks for watching. And if you made it to the end of this video without subscribing, what you waiting on? Subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Stay blessed.